In this video, we'll see grammatical homonyms are. So grammatical homonyms are words that will be written differently but pronounced the same. In that case here, you will pronounce it a, and it has. And the other one will be with the accent, remember the preposition, and it's pronounced exactly the same way, a. A, same pronunciation. Elle a un beau chien. Elle a un beau chien. Je vais à l'aéroport. Je vais à l'aéroport. Elle a un beau chien. Je vais à l'aéroport.